Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display bubble notification in native Android application. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you the output. Now here I have one button called hello world. If I click on it, it displays a notification to me. As you can see, I have this open the website notification. What I'll do is I will minimize my app, or I can close my app completely. And if you see in the notification part, there is this arrow as well on the right hand side. I'll click on that arrow, and if you see, it has this I don't know what this icon is called, but if I click on this particular icon, it displays one bubble notification and it displays one screen for us. Now I'll show you how to configure this screen for your bubble notification as well. But if I click outside, here you can see the screen is dismissed, but I can still see my bubble floating around inside my device. So that's what this tutorial is all about. Also, if I just long click on it, I have this open the website shortcut as well, and if I click on it, it will open the Chrome browser, because that's what action I have defined for it. But anyways, that is not really important. The important part is this bubble one. If I click on it again, here you can see it is showing this screen to us. So let's see how to do this. Now firstly, what I have done, I have created an XML layout Android project, but if you want, you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Next, inside activity underscore main, I have just taken one button and assigned some ID to it. I change the text of the button to whatever you feel like. Then inside Android manifest, I have added this post notification permission, because this permission is required from Android 10 and above. Also, if you see, I have created one more activity, so called bubble activity. So this is the screen which got displayed when you click on that particular bubble. So to create this activity, just right click, new activity, empty views activity, or choose whatever you feel like, and name this as bubble activity or whatever you feel like. It's up to you, and just click on finish. I already have it, so I won't create it again. Once this is created, you will have to go to Android manifest, and for your bubble activity you have to add this allow embedded to true and resizable activity to true as well. The next thing which we have to do is I don't think I have any dependencies in build.gradle. Okay, no dependencies in build.gradle, so we can close all this stuff. Then this you can design to whatever you feel like. Basically this might be for chat applications, so here you can have your chat UI and everything, but here I have just kept things simple. So here I am just displaying a text called this is a bubble text. Okay, and here inside bubble activity, I am just updating the text. So what I am doing is that I am passing some data from my bubble to this activity. So whatever is the value for this particular key of person name, that gets updated. So if you remember, my text was showing nobody, because that's the value which I was passing from my bubble. Okay, so that's it for the bubble activity. Change it to whatever you feel like. Then if I go to activity, okay, so I have already shown you this. If I go to main activity, so firstly these are all the imports, so you can just copy paste all these imports which I have defined one locus ID, which I'm not really sure what's the use of it. We are using it, but I'm not don't really have the explanation for it. And this is for permission. So once in case if you are using Android 10 and above, we require the permission, and once the permission is granted, then only we display the notification. Okay, and here you can see we are setting up our notification channel. So this is pretty boilerplate code, and on click of button, if you are above Android T, request the permission, otherwise display the notification. Now for requesting permission, we use something like this, request permission. I have already added a check over here, so I don't need one more check over here as well. So for showing the notification, we first get hold of our notification manager. Now this bubble thing is only present from Android R and above. So if you are below Android R, here you can see that I'm just displaying the notification. You won't see that icon, and on click of that icon you won't get the bubble. Okay, but this is only applicable above Android R. So here you can see that I'm starting a new activity called bubble activity, and here I am passing the person's name, so nobody, but here you can pass whatever you feel like, because you might require different bubbles, so it's up to you. and here we are creating one pending activity. This should be flag mutable. This is very important. Here I have created one icon as well. Then here we are constructing notification dot bubble metadata dot builder, passing our pending intent as well as icon, setting the desired height as 600 and calling build. Then here remember, if I long pressed on the app icon and we were getting the shortcut, so on click of that I'm doing this thing, but here you can use whatever you feel like. If you don't want to create an intent, that's also fine. If I comment this out here, you can see it uses the default intent, but be careful with this. I'm not really sure what exactly it does, but yeah, here I'm just opening a so here we are creating one person, passing person name important as true, passing the icon and calling build. And then here we are using shortcut info dot builder, this passing the id. Okay, and here I'm setting the short label, long label, setting the icon, setting intent, setting person, locus id, long lived as true, and calling build. And this is how we are pushing the dynamic shortcut. Now this shortcut is necessary for bubble notification, that's why I'm creating it. Now here we just use notification dot builder, pass our package name, set the small icon, content title, content text, bubble metadata, person, shortcut id, category, style, set content intent, set small icon, and then we just call build. And then we just use notification manager dot notify 1 comma notification. So yeah, that's it. And inside else clause, this is for below Android R. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can create a bubble notifications on Android. Thank you for watching. Bye.